$30 more added, my friends. I'm in a good mood, but the distance was a little bit long on this. 40 miles, hour and 13 minutes because of traffic. There was an accident, but it's all good. Uber gave me an extra, I think, $1. I was supposed to get 29. I got 30. Thank you, Mr. Uber. Algorithm, I appreciate the extra $1, or it's not even $1, but it's all good. Let's take a look. This is where we are for today. I'm at $175, but look, it's nice and easy, nice and easy. I started a little bit late. I believe it's been around 12 hours, and in 12 hours of work, $175, probably 50, 60 is gonna go to gas. At least $100 in my pocket, right? Remember, my minimum was $150, right? We're at $175. This is good news. We're gonna keep updating you, and if you watch all the videos before this, I think I've put 9 videos up already today, you'll see how I got to 175. Okay, active 5.5 hours, online for 11. The ratio is pretty good, right? It's basically half the time on my business, half the time for driving Uber when I can't work when I'm driving. 6 trips, so we're still averaging almost $30 per passenger, right? This is the way I like to do it. Okay, now we're gonna go back here. Let me see. Okay, yeah, so we've hit 829. My minimum was 800 today. Now I'm gonna start heading home, right? I'm pretty far away. Let me show you how far away I am. Okay, so from here to home, let's use destination mode just in case. You never know, we might get lucky. Where are you? Let's just put in Acton. Something went wrong. Whoa, what kind of navigation is this? Well, it can't even figure out ACTO. It can't even figure out my city. All right, let's try Santa Clarita. SANTA. Santa Clarita. Oh man, this navigation is horrible. I think I might just have to use the IKEA address in Burbank. Yeah, let's just use IKEA in Burbank. Well, I gotta go 40 more miles than this. So let's go 72, 82, 92, 102, 112 miles. 112 miles roughly to go home. That basically means I need at least $25 going home. So if we hit 200, I get another $25 of gas. And that's how we're gonna roll. So first, let's put this in so we can get out of here. Now, you know my goal, right? My goal is at least to get around $25 going home. It's 7 o'clock. According to this, if I drive without picking up any passengers, it'll take me about 2 hours to go home from here, right? Woo! But you know what? This is what we gotta do. This is what we gotta do. Beggars can't be choosers. Okay, my friends. So, 7 o'clock. Let's see how far the airport is. Airport is showing 66, 46, about 100. Oh, XL is low, so about 115. 7 o'clock. No, this is perfect. By the time I get to SNA, there'll be an opportunity to slingshot. You know what a slingshot does, right? You load it and you let it go. I'm gonna slingshot out of SNA. Once I'm at SNA, anything that sends me home should at least be 20, 25 bucks. I should be good. If I can get lucky and get me more money to downtown LA, that would be awesome. Also, look over here. There's traffic, right? So I'm in no rush. Another hour, this traffic will die down. No problem. So now another trick I use is I will use Google Maps next to Uber. For that, I gotta hide me. And on this is to go home, but Uber is actually gonna go take me to John Wayne Airport, right? So we're gonna go over here. Actually, you know what? No, I'm gonna leave destination mode on going home in case a ride comes. And then over here, we're gonna change this to John Wayne Airport. Uncle John. There you go, 23 miles. So basically, we'll go to departures. It doesn't really matter. Okay, there you go. So basically from here, it's gonna take me around 30 minutes, 28 miles, which you can say is about $6 of gas to put myself in a position to go home and get another, hopefully $25. Let's see how that works out. I'm gonna take a break and let you know if anything pops up. Actually, I'm not gonna show you any of the dinky ones. If something reasonable pops up, I'll show you. Otherwise, we will talk when we get to the airport. I am turning on Uber X and Share and Pet. You know, we'll take some fluffy little buddies just in case. You know, the more options you have on, the higher the chance you're gonna get income. And here we go. Dear God, dear Father, take us safe. We've been serving all day. Now it's time to get me home. Give me $25, Father, and we'll be at 200. If not, I understand. I'm not greedy. And if you notice on the left, I have it zoomed out so I don't get confused for Uber. And on the right, for John Wayne Airport, I have it zoomed in. And that's the navigation I'm gonna follow. Quickly put in another $12 of gas, just so I don't have to worry about it when I get to John Wayne Airport in case I get a long ride. And now we are ready to go to John Wayne Airport. And check it out, some Indian music for you that I'm listening in the background. This is called Qawwali. There it is, $6 towards my destination. Oh my goodness, so tempting, Uber, so tempting. Ooh. After working 12 hours for you, that's what you offer me. And you offer it to me twice. So tempting, Uber, so tempting. Get out of here. Okay, use destination mode and I got nothing. Now I am at John Wayne Airport, about 4 minutes away. That's what the queue looks like. I took a screenshot. My guess is at least an hour here right now, unless I get lucky. But if I get lucky, I would love it. That's a lot of people. 100, almost 200 people. Okay, so now the waiting game begins. Just process this for a second. 7:30 at night. I've got at least 90-minute drive home, and we're gonna wait here and we're gonna try to see if we can get something. It's unfortunate that after working 12 hours, the algorithm is not going to bless us and, you know, just let us go home and make money. And no morals, no ethics. But you know what? There's nothing we can do about it. I'm gonna go ahead and stop this video and start a fresh one because I'm tired, and I'm gonna go ahead and upload this. And the last video is basically gonna show how I get home. So basically, home is over here somewhere, and we are over here. And now I think, like, if I get a ride this way, I'll go Disneyland. I'll go. Not Pomona, not really. El Monte's fine, Downey's fine, Los Angeles would be ideal. And once in a while you can get lucky. You can actually get a ride all the way out to here from here, which is weird, right? And what's off limits is anything behind me. So anything back here is off limits right now. It's too late, I'm tired. All of this is off limits now. It's all closed, right? All of this is no good. So the goal is to shoot this way, and we just want like 20 bucks, 25 bucks, and that's enough. Once I shoot out, then I'll use destination mode. If not, I'll just go home and we'll start fresh, because I want to get home early. Not early, but I want to get home, which is 7:30, 8:30, 9:30. If I can get home by 10, 10:30, that would be ideal. That way I can get 6 hours of sleep, get up early for Friday morning, and drive and take people who are probably going to the airport. See what happens.